Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to set password in Vivo Y19. If you're using Vivo Y19 phone and now you want to set password, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for password and security option. You just have to tap on it, and here you will get the screen lock option. Just tap on it, and here you have to enter your pin or pattern you have already saved. As I have already saved the pin, now enter it, and after that you have to select a password, and here you have to create the password which you want. As I'm going to create this one, so just enter the password and then tap on next, and now you have to enter the password again and then select OK. So in this way you can easily the password set the password in your phone. So now you just have to lock your screen and then you have to open your screen with your password. Just scroll up and here you have to enter the password which you have set. Now tap on done. So that's how you can easily set password in your Y19. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.